In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monetize your Webflow projects. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or a newcomer just starting out, monetizing your projects could open new revenue streams and opportunities. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to get to Webflow. So open up your preferred web browser and head over to webflow.com. If you're not familiar with Webflow, it's a powerful and popular visual website builder that lets you create custom websites without needing to code everything from scratch. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice an option to log in at the top right corner. Click on that. After clicking Log In, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't yet have an account, take just a few moments to sign up. Once you're logged in, you're going to be redirected to your Webflow dashboard. This is where all your projects are listed. Your dashboard acts as your command center, making it easy to manage and organize your work. Now, with the dashboard open, our next step is to explore additional features that can help monetize the project. Locate and click on the Marketplace. The Marketplace is a fantastic resource within Webflow that offers a plethora of apps and integrations to enhance your website's functionality. From e-commerce solutions to membership plugins, exploring these can provide valuable insights into how others are monetizing their projects. Once you've clicked into the Marketplace, you should see an option to get started. This step is crucial because it acts as a platform to explore and integrate various monetization strategies into your Webflow designs. By clicking on Get Started, Webflow guides you through setting up these integrations, whether it's adding a paywall, setting up a store, or offering subscription services. At this stage, it's essential to explore various tools and plugins available in the Marketplace. They can add tremendous value to your website, offering capabilities like accepting payments securely, managing memberships, or even selling digital goods. Think about what resonates best with your audience and aligns with the type of content or services you provide. Remember, successful monetization isn't just about adding features. It's about enhancing user experience. Make sure that whatever tool or integration you choose improves how visitors interact with your site. A seamless, enjoyable user experience should always be your priority. With those steps, you're well on your way to monetizing your Webflow projects successfully. Thanks for joining me today. Feel free to explore these features further, and you'll be opening the door to creating a profitable digital presence. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this one. Happy creating!